Welcome to our journey into the world of modern fighter jets. Today, we'll be exploring the secrets of a state-of-the-art aircraft inspired by the legendary Sukhoi Su-35. This jet combines raw power, advanced aerodynamics, and cutting-edge engineering to rule the skies. Let's start with the design. The Su-35 features a sleek aerodynamic body with a distinctive twin-engine layout. Its airframe is made of lightweight, durable alloys designed to minimize drag and maximize maneuverability. You'll notice the twin vertical stabilizers and large swept-back wings. These features help the jet remain stable even at extreme speeds and during sharp turns. Beneath the wings are powerful jet engines with afterburners that produce an unmistakable roar. The cockpit, located at the very front, is fitted with advanced avionics and life support systems. To unleash this incredible performance, the Su-35 uses a special type of aviation fuel, Jet A1. This fuel is stored in multiple tanks placed inside the wings and along the fuselage. Pipes and pumps deliver the fuel directly to the engines, ensuring a constant and stable flow even during intense maneuvers and high G turns. How fast can it fly? The Su-35 reaches a maximum speed of around 2,500 kilometers per hour, or roughly Mach 2.3, more than twice the speed of sound. With a full load of fuel, this jet can travel over 3,600 kilometers without refueling, allowing it to complete long-range missions with ease. But how does this fuel actually power the jet? Let's take a look inside the engine. First, air rushes in through the jet's large intakes at the front. This air is rapidly compressed by multiple spinning blades, creating high pressure. Next, the Jet A1 fuel is sprayed into the compressed air and ignited in the combustion chamber. This controlled explosion produces an intense burst of energy, driving the turbines and spinning the engine at incredible speeds. Finally, the hot exhaust gases blast out from the rear of the engine, creating massive thrust. This force propels the jet forward at breathtaking speeds and even allows it to perform sharp climbs, loops, and high-speed turns.